Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can add your clean eating checklist into List Onic. So here, you're going to go into List Onic, and as you can see, I'm already starting to make my checklist. I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like once you open one of these icons up. So as a part of my checklist, I have canned goods. So a part of my meal planning this week, I was planning to use black beans, pinto beans, and tomato paste. So I simply just added those things to be bought at the grocery store. And then as soon as I got those items from that particular place in the grocery store, it just adds back onto the list instead of erasing. So in order to make a new list, we're going to do protein. That's the next item to add into this actual app. So you'll go ahead and just put protein in, and it's going to create a new list for proteins. And so as you can see, deli meat is one of the items that I have on my list, and it simply adds it. Next, I go ahead and start adding the ground turkey as another item to my list. And I'll keep doing this until I've created a whole list of all the proteins that are from my clean eating checklist, as you'll see. So then this week, for instance, I wanted to select chicken breast, crab, and also, I believe, sausage as a part of my meal plan. And once I go to the grocery store, I'll just simply take those back off and it adds it back onto the list. So then next week, I'm able to use this list again. I'll keep doing this until I have completed everything, until I have transferred everything from my clean eating checklist into this actual app. So I did the same thing for vegetables, and I'm just giving you one more example of what that looks like. And here's the complete list. And it's just the same thing. I just go to the grocery store, I find those items, and I just check them off as being completed, and it just saves it back onto the list. It's really nice. Another great thing about this app is if there's a particular order that you want something in, you just simply drag and drop and place it in the order that you would like for it to be. I had a certain way that I wanted it to be done. Also in this app, you're able to add and subtract how much of an item you would like to buy. I also added what's in my fridge checklist on here, as well as house goods as separate lists, which was really nice. And so now I have a complete grocery list for the week. One more thing I wanted to show you. You also can go ahead and get an estimate of how much your groceries will be. You simply go to the website that you plan to actually get your groceries and get the cost. And then you just put in how much each item would be. The only thing that sucks about it is for each category, you have to add up all the categories together in order to get a total price. But each subcategory, it adds up the math for you. So thank y'all for watching this video today. I hope this helps. This is what I'll be transferring to.